In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all completed tasks in Microsoft To Do. If your task list is starting to feel cluttered, clearing out completed items can make everything look cleaner and easier to manage. In Microsoft To Do, completed tasks are often still visible until you remove them manually, so this quick process helps you tidy things up and keep your workspace organized. To get started, open Microsoft To Do and go to the Today view. This is where you can see the tasks that are scheduled for your current day, including items you may have already marked as finished. Make sure you're in the correct list before you begin, especially if you use multiple lists for personal tasks or projects. Once you're in Today, look for the Completed section and click on it. This will expand the area and show the tasks that you've already finished. If you don't immediately see it, just scan the page for the section that groups your completed items together. Opening this section is important because it gives you access to the tasks you want to remove. Next, choose one of the completed tasks and click the icon that opens the task details. This usually brings up a side panel or detailed view where you can see more information about that specific task. This step matters because the delete option is located inside the task's detail view rather than directly in the main list. After the Details panel opens, go to the bottom right corner and click the Delete icon. That will remove the completed task from Microsoft To Do. If your goal is to delete all completed tasks, you'll need to repeat the same process for each completed item in the list. Open the task details, then click the Delete icon in the bottom right corner. As you go through this, it's a good idea to pause for a second before deleting anything, just to make sure you no longer need that task for reference. Deleting is useful for cleanup, but if you still want a record of what you completed, you may want to keep certain items a little longer before removing them. And that's it. By going to Today, opening the Completed section, viewing each task's details, and using the Delete icon, you can clear out your completed tasks and keep Microsoft To Do neat and manageable.